Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
So once the southwest monsoon has arrived, the rainfall distribution over Goa is going to continue in the widespread or fairly widespread distributions. Today, widespread distribution of rainfall was reported in the early morning. Now, in the coming 24 hours, widespread distribution of rainfall, that means almost 100% of, or 75 to 100% of the stations, rainfall reporting stations in Goa are expected to report rainfall in these 24 hours. Then rainfall distribution may slightly reduce after that. On 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, IMD has forecasted fairly widespread rainfall distribution. That means 50 to 75% of the stations may report rainfall. So after its onset and then after around 48 to 72 hours, rainfall activity is going to slightly reduce before it's again picked up momentum in the next week by around 9th of June. Tomorrow there is probability of lightning at isolated places, and in the coming days, like it was mentioned earlier, the rainfall activity may slightly reduce before it is again picked up by around 9th of June.